Hi, my name is Juan, and today we're gonna be basically showing how layer 2 Ether channel is configured. So basically, we are using layer 2 switches, layer 2 on layer 3, but this time it's gonna be only layer 2 switches, and we are gonna be using the protocol LACP. As we know, there is two type of protocol. The first one is PAGP and the second one it's LACP. Uh, Today we're gonna be configuring layer 2 LACP, but you can also configure layer 3 LACP. The switches does not have any configuration. Okay, so basically the configuration that the switches have at the moment, they are the one that came just from factory, as if you were unboxing the switch when you purchase for the first time. So keep in mind that if you're doing this in an environment like in production, you have to configure the switch properly depending on your infrastructure. So I'm gonna give a name to the switch for this demo. Okay, so I will be calling this switch 1, and then I'll jump into the second switch and I will name it switch 2. All right, so basically, ETHERCHANNEL, the main purpose of ETHERCHANNEL is that it will give you more bandwidth in your infrastructure, especially if you're using layer 2 switches and if they are not gigabit switches. Uh, Most of the time nowadays, I can say that 97, 98, 99% of the company use gigabit switches, depending on their needs that their infrastructure require. So we're gonna choose the interfaces that can be membership of the Ether channel. Okay. All right, so the first thing we are gonna do is we are going to choose the protocol, which is gonna be LACP, and now we are going to form the channel group for the Ether channel. Uh, and this time the mode is gonna be active. All right, so as you see, the interfaces went down and they are coming back. So we are going to jump into the second switch and basically do the same thing. So in that way, the interfaces can be member of the Ether channel group. So we're gonna choose the range FA016 to 19. Okay, and we are gonna choose the protocol, and now we are going to choose the channel group that we created in the first switch, and this time the mode is gonna be passive, and the reason why is because in that way it will form the adjacency between the switches. If for any reason you choose active, uh, the membership is not going to be basically activate in it's not going to be activated in that either channel group. All right, so as we see, basically the interfaces are down now. They are in negotiating mode, and basically it will activate the either channel in a few seconds. um, so let's wait a few seconds for the ether channel to be activated, and then we are going to verify that everything is up. So as you see, the lights change from orange to green, so we are getting a good sign here. It means the interfaces are up and the ether channel group it's activated. So we are going to verify that in both switches just to make sure. And basically the interface that you have to uh, investigate here is the interface of the channel group, because once the pores become member of that uh, channel group, they will be considered as only one link. Okay. So the channel group that we created was one. Actually, I mistyped something here. And all right, so interface. Yeah. So there is a different way that you can basically verify if the either channel is up. So you can pick the command show interface either channel, and basically what is going to happen, it will give you the state of each port, and it will show you the flag. So basically what the flag means, it will be displayed in here. All right, so the flag is a and on port 16, and then um, it's saying that the state is down. All right, active mode, down. All right, so there is another way that you can also, let me check here. Yeah, screen. There is another way that you can also verify the either channel if it is active. And yeah, so if you scroll down all the way to the command, the ether channel it's active in uh, the adjacency were formed. So we are gonna actually investigate more in that on that channel group. All right, so it's gonna be for channel one, because uh, that was the number that we gave to the either channel. So if you see here, the interface is app, and the line protocol is also app and is connected. And as you see here, the link is 500 megabyte per second. Okay, and it's also half duplex at this moment because it's on auto mode. I didn't configure anything else on the switches. We can change the speed of that link for sure, and basically you're gonna see the bandwidth result. I'm not gonna change the speed at this moment because I'm just showing the demonstration of layer 2 Ether channel. Okay, so we are going to verify that on switch 2. Okay, and as we see, the port channel it's up and the line protocol is up and is connected. 500 megabyte per second, that's the bandwidth speed of that link, and we can see the members of that Ether channel group, which are port from 16 to 19. All right, so that was all for today, demonstrating layer 2 Ether channel. In the next session, we are going to be showing layer 3 and also protocol PAGP. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next episode.